So now let's see how we can work around with query design inside of Access. So over here you can see that there are two tables and the table are linked up together right here. So if you want to work with query design, then you can go around over here on to create right here, and you can see query design is an option. So once you click on this, what happens is that basically you have a relationships area where you can bring in the tables just like this, as you can see right here, and it is already linked out in my case. So you can do the linking over here as well if you want to. But over here, what you may want to do is bring in the fields now. So over here you can see that there are fields, and if you want to generate a query by using the fields from table 1 and 2, what you can do in query design is you can go around over here, drag in the fields right here just like this, as you can see. So I can drag in the name right here, I can drag in member ID right here, I can drag in, let's say, expert ID over here as well if I want to, and then drag in expertise, as you can see. So here you can see that there are fields, and what you can also do is you can select this, click and drag this to rearrange it according to how you like it. So I'm going to go to expert ID in table 2. So if I were to just click and drag it, then what happens is that I can just move around the fields right here. Similarly, you also have sorting options. So let's say I want to sort out the data according to the name right here. So I'm just going to go around over here, and here you can see ascending, descending, and everything. You can simply select it. You can also check and uncheck out the data right here, that is check and uncheck out the table field so that you can view it or hide it in the main table. So if you were to go around over here and click, you can see that query 1, the selected fields is here, and according to the name, it has been arranged out right here. So if I were to go around right here, this is the query design, as you can see. So click on this again, and you can go back and forth, as you can see. You can also hide out a particular table right here, click, and there you go. You can see that now that field has been hidden. Similarly, you can go back right here, enable the name, and let's say I don't want to sort it out by name, but by expertise according to ascending order. Click on view, then what you have is now everything is there according to the expertise, as you can see. So I can view right here, and then what you can simply do in order to actually make it appear right here is save this. So let me just go around right here, click on save, just save out the file, and then you can go around and say generated from query design right here, just like this, and click on OK, and you can see that now another query is there. So that is how you can work around with query design and then generate out queries from multiple tables as well, besides using simple query widget. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.